Hi everyone. Today we're learning about something really cool and useful. Bicarbonate of soda. It's also called baking soda. Have you heard of it? Bicarbonate of soda is a white powder that looks like flour or sugar, but it's a little bit different. We often use it in the kitchen and even for fun science experiments. Baking soda helps things rise and grow. When we add it to cake or bread, it helps them get big and fluffy. And when we mix it with vinegar, it bubbles up like a volcano. It's like magic. If you mix baking soda with vinegar, you get bubbles and fizz. It's really fun and looks like a mini volcano. Scientists call it a chemical reaction, but always ask an adult to help you if you try it. Baking soda isn't just for baking cakes or doing experiments. We can also use it to clean things or even brush our teeth. It's safe and helps keep things fresh and clean. So, bicarbonate of soda or baking soda is a white powder with a lot of uses. It helps make cakes rise, makes fun fizzing volcanoes, and can even help with cleaning. Isn't that cool? Thanks for learning about baking soda with me. Do you have any questions? Or maybe you've tried a baking soda experiment before.